Unscrambling expressions. Egg on one's face, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a quirky but fascinating English expression, egg on one's face. This phrase is a colorful way to describe a situation we've all found ourselves in at one point or another. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understanding of idiomatic expressions, you're in the right place. Let's crack into it. The phrase, egg on one's face, is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is feeling embarrassed or has been made to look foolish in front of others. Unlike the literal meaning, it has nothing to do with actual eggs or faces. Instead, think of it as a metaphorical egg, symbolizing the mess or discomfort of being in an embarrassing situation. It's a common phrase in both professional and casual settings, highlighting human mistakes and the humility that comes with them. Tracing the origins of idiomatic expressions can be as tricky as walking on eggshells, but it's believed that egg on one's face emerged in the mid-20th century in the United States. While the exact origins are unclear, the imagery is thought to relate to slapstick comedy, where throwing pies, or eggs, in someone's face was a common gag. Over time, this visual joke transformed into a metaphorical expression of embarrassment or foolishness. Understanding an idiom is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are a few examples to help you incorporate egg on one's face into your English conversations. After boasting about how easy the test would be, John had egg on his face when he scored the lowest in the class. The politician was left with egg on her face after her promises turned out to be empty. Trying to surprise his friend and failing miserably, Mike ended up with egg on his face. These examples show that the phrase is versatile, fitting well into various contexts where embarrassment or a mistake is the focus. And that's a wrap on egg on one's face. This expression is a fun and vivid way to talk about those not-so-great moments of embarrassment we all experience. Remember, making mistakes is part of being human, and sometimes, you just have to laugh it off and learn from it. We hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just learning opportunities in disguise. See you in the next video.